In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use add-ons in Google Sheets. If you've ever felt like Google Sheets is powerful but a bit limited for your workflow, add-ons are your shortcut to superpowers. Think of them as mini apps that plug right into your spreadsheet, unlocking features like mail merge, QR code generation, and even AI assistance, all without leaving Sheets. Here's how to get started. With your spreadsheet open, head up to the top menu and click Extensions. Hover over Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is essentially the App Store designed specifically for Google tools like Sheets. It's a curated space, so what you find here is built to work naturally with your documents. Inside the Marketplace, you can browse by category if you're exploring, or use the search bar if you already know what you need. As you look around, take a moment to read the descriptions to understand what each add-on does, check ratings and reviews to see how others like it, and glance at screenshots to preview the experience. These small checks help you choose a reliable tool that fits your task. When you've found an add-on you want, click Install. A permissions window will appear, asking for access needed to function properly. Things like reading or writing to your spreadsheet. This is normal. Review the request, and when you're comfortable, click Allow. That's it for installation. Now, here's where many people get tripped up. After installing, it can feel like nothing happened. To actually use your new tool, go back to the top menu, click Extensions again, and look toward the bottom of that menu. Your newly installed add-on will be listed there, ready to launch. Click it to open its sidebar or dialog, and follow any on-screen prompts the add-on provides. A couple of quick tips as you explore. Start with a test sheet if you're trying something new, so you can learn the workflow without touching important data. If an add-on offers settings, it's worth opening them once to tailor the experience to your needs. And remember, add-ons are there to save you time. So think about repetitive tasks you do often and search for tools that automate those steps. That's the whole process. Open the marketplace, pick your tool, install with permissions, and then access it from the extensions menu. Turn your spreadsheet into a powerhouse. Hit that follow button for more Google Sheets tips.